G'day everyone, it's Aussie Chick. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you all and welcome. Today I'm just going to do a little video just to show off some of the flowers I have around here at the moment. I've got all these frangipani trees in the background are flowering or starting to flower, and they smell divine. But I'll spin you around. I'm going to take you for a walk down there, because I've got all my spider lilies down there. I think they're all spider lilies anyway, flowering, but there's all these little white flowers down here near the ponds down there. I'll go for a walk down there. They're pretty special because those little white flowers that you see the stalks growing, not the lilies, but them little white flowers, we get glowworms off those and glow bugs. Around this time of year, at Christmas time, they fly around the windows. That's what I like to call nature's Christmas decorations. They look pretty spectacular. I'll try to get some on video if I can catch them. They usually come out pretty late at night, but they look pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to go for a walk down there. We're looking up and looking down from here at the moment, from the veranda. I'll do a walk around there and we'll look upwards from there up. Looks pretty special with all the flowers. Okay. This is a gardenia. It's beautiful. This was here when we first moved here. This is over 20 years old, this plant. It's got buds all coming. I'll get some pictures of that when that flowers. That looks beautiful. And they smell divine. The frangipani trees are above my head. A few flowers coming up on there. One up there. I'll get some more of these. A big bottle tree. There's a frangipani. Oh, beautiful. This one's my favourite. This is the red. This is gorgeous. It's beautiful red. Go wander down here. Dam's got water in it from the rain. Okay, look at that. I love it. Zoom in and in. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's get amongst it. Ponds. I have all these ponds here, but they didn't seal them very well, so they don't hold. They look nice, good for walking on. Down there, a bougainvillea in the background, the pink one. These are the plants. All these little ones here, I'm not quite sure what they're called. But we have like a mini forest of them here, and we get glow bugs. All of these get glow bugs. It's gorgeous. An old garden bed here. Aloe vera, because you can never have too much aloe vera. Good for sunburns, good for a lot of things actually. Beautiful. Love the aloe vera. So I'll wander this way. Here I show you some other flowers that are down here. And we had a fire. These these all melted. These plants melted. I didn't believe plants could melt, but they did. We've got these coming up too. These are everywhere as well. These beautiful little flowers. Gorgeous. Got my bougainvillea. I'll do a close up of my bogey. Go. Gorgeous flowers. Beautiful. And all of these have got seeds coming. They've already flowered. And they've got their seeds ready for the next time they decide to flower up. Got some nice flowers around this side. Okay. Beautiful. Some orchid in here somewhere. And behind there, I think. Needs to be tidied up a little bit. Morella, can never have too much. Ginger. Hello, ginger. A view from the top. Above the ponds. I did put one purple one in here. But it either didn't grow or it hasn't flowered yet. Pretty sure the purple would stand out pretty good. But yeah, they look pretty cool. Especially all flowering. Just a quick one to show you my flowers. I hope you enjoyed them. I'll do another one soon when they all open up. Show you all of the flowers in bloom. Anyway, say hi to a stranger, share some kindness, share some love. We know the world needs that. Don't forget to smile. Never underestimate the power of a smile. Could just change someone's day. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Catch you on my next one. Bye.